Prunes and prune juice are most famously known for their ability to get things moving when the digestive pipes are clogged. However, their health benefits go well beyond just providing a better bathroom experience. As it turns out, those squishy purple fruits actually pack a powerful nutritional punch. When eaten frequently, prunes contribute to the overall intake of dietary fiber and many important vitamins, minerals, and phenolic compounds, which function as antioxidants. While occasionally eating a couple of prunes is unlikely to make much of a difference in your life, drinking prune juice every day, which is made by rehydrating dried prunes, then extracting the liquid, just might. The most obvious effect you're bound to notice from a daily glass of prune juice is that it helps regulate your gastrointestinal (GI) activity. Prune juice is high in fiber, half of which is insoluble, meaning that it doesn't break down as it moves through the digestive tract. Prune juice offers health benefits beyond GI help. Senior bariatric dietitian Melissa Majumdar from the Brigham and Women's Center for Metabolic and Bariatric Surgery explains that insoluble fiber can be helpful for constipation because it adds bulk to the stool and can get things moving, almost like a laxative effect. Prune juice also contains high amounts of naturally occurring sorbitol, which also has a laxative effect. Aside from speeding up the happenings in your GI tract, prune juice also contains substantial amounts of vitamins and minerals. Research indicates that regular consumption may reduce cholesterol and blood pressure, as well as provide some protection against certain lung diseases and colon cancer. But beware, if you're thinking about getting started with incorporating prune juice into your diet today, start slowly. Half a cup of prune juice per day is plenty for starters. Too much too soon could lead to unwanted effects, including diarrhea, bloating, and gas. In the case of prune juice, it's definitely possible to have too much of a good thing.